How to turn on or turn off apps that can use Siri announce notifications on the iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen and tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Notifications. In here, scroll down, then tap on Announce Notifications in the Siri section. Now at the top here, make sure you turn on Announce Notifications. Then we scroll down and tap on the apps that you want to make use of these features. So by default, Messages is turned on, but you can also turn on for other apps as well, such as Google Photos, you can turn it on, Game Center, you can switch it on, or you can turn it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.